Hey, what's going on, guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Lake Country 6 1/4 inch microfiber cutting pad. The Lake Country 6 1/4 inch microfiber cutting pad is made up of a special microfiber material that provides unmatched cutting and finishing capabilities. Its 11mm thick foam backing plate will ensure even pressure and provide cushion between the buffer and the vehicle. The microfiber that makes up this pad will not mat down as fast as other microfiber pads, helping to reduce pad temperatures while buffing. So here we have a test hood that we keep in our shop for demonstrations like this. As you can see, the hood is in desperate need of paint correction. There are swirls everywhere, and our Lake Country microfiber pad and our Diamond Cut Deluxe compound will make short work of these swirls. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on the Lake Country 6 1/4 inch microfiber cutting pad or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a detail king. See you guys next time.